Now imagine having a way to easily communicate with all your members and their parents without adding more to your plate. Today I'm going to show you how email marketing can be your best ally, saving you time, simplifying your life. Hi, I'm Anna from Club Reach Marketing. Whether you're running a gymnastics club or a theatre group or even a karate class, I know how challenging it can be to manage everything all on your own. So let's dive into email marketing and discover how it can transform your club's communication and make your life easier. First, let's talk quickly about how and why email marketing is so great for clubs. So it allows you to communicate directly with your members and their parents. So you can share updates, promote events, and keep everyone informed without worrying if they saw your social media post. It's a direct line into their inbox. Regular emails keep your club in the forefront of everyone's minds, increasing engagement and participation in your activities. It's like sending a friendly nudge to remind them about all the great things your club has to offer. Email marketing is also incredibly cost effective. You don't need a big budget to reach your audience effectively. With the right tools and strategies, you can achieve a really high return in investment. And the best part, you can personalize your emails. So use members' names, tailor content to their interests, and segment your audience for better results. It's like having a personal conversation with each member. So, how do you get started? First, you need to collect email addresses. You can do this through sign-up forms on your website or at events or even via social media. You can offer something valuable in return to really encourage sign-ups, like a discount on memberships or exclusive content to encourage all those sign-ups. Just remember to comply with GDPR regulations in the UK. This means getting explicit consent to collect and use personal data, having clear privacy policies, and making it easy for people to opt out if they want to. It's all about being transparent and respectful of privacy. You'll find most email marketing tools will help with this one and provide a clear terms and conditions and checkbox to ensure that you're not breaking the law. They also provide the essential unsubscribe link at the bottom of every email to make sure that you're compliant as well, which leads us nicely onto the next area, which is our top 3 email marketing tools. There are some fantastic email marketing platforms out there that can make your life easier. You've got Mailchimp, which is my personal favorite. It's a fantastic choice for beginners and small clubs. Here's why it stands out. Now, pros: user-friendly interface. Mailchimp is known for its intuitive drag and drop email builder, making it easy to create professional looking emails without any coding skills. With hundreds of templates to choose from, you can easily find one that fits your club's style and needs. Now, automate your emails as well to welcome new members and follow up after events, or even send out birthday greetings, saving you loads of time. Analytics: you can get detailed analytics on click rates and open rates and overall campaign performances to see what works and what doesn't. Now, the free plan is very generous, which is perfect for smaller clubs starting out. Now, the cons: the pricing. Once you exceed the limits of the free plan, pricing can become a little bit steep, especially for larger subscriber lists. And the limited customization. Whilst templates are plentiful, customization options can sometimes feel limited compared to some of the other platforms. So Mailchimp is particularly good for clubs because it is quite easy to use, it offers solid automation, and it provides excellent analytics to help you understand your audience better. Now, constant contact. Constant contact is another quite solid option, especially if you're looking for more features beyond just email marketing. Now, pros: event management. It's got built-in tools to create and manage events, track RSVPs, and even collect payments, making it perfect for clubs hosting regular events. Social media integration. Can manage your social media accounts and email campaigns from one place, streamlining all your marketing efforts. Customizable templates. It's got a wide range to suit different styles and needs. Support. Excellent customer support with live chat, phone, and email options to help you whenever you get stuck. And reporting. It's got advanced reporting features that help you track email performance understand engagement, and refine your strategy. Now cons. Cost. Now constant contact can be more expensive than other options, which might be a concern for smaller clubs or those on a tighter budget. Now the learning curve. With its wide range of features, there can be a bit of a learning curve for new users, so you need to set aside quite a bit of time to learn this one. Now constant contact is ideal for clubs that need comprehensive event management and social media tools integrated with their email marketing. It does make it easier there to handle multiple elements of member engagement in one place. Now Sendinblue. Sendinblue is perfect if you're on a budget but still need robust email marketing capabilities. Now the pros, it's got affordable pricing. Sendinblue offers a very cost-effective pricing structure, starting with a free plan that allows you to send up to 300 emails per day. Automation. Advanced automation features that let you set up complex workflows such as sending a series of welcome emails or re-engaging inactive members. Transactional emails. Now ideal for clubs that need to send out booking confirmations, payment receipts, and other transactional emails. SMS marketing. Now in addition to emails, Sendinblue also supports SMS marketing, allowing you to reach your members via text messaging. Detailed analytics. It provides in-depth analytics to help you track email performance and make data-driven decisions. Now the cons. Template variety. While it offers customizable templates, the variety and sophistication might not match up to some of the higher priced competitors. The interface. Now some users have found that the interface is less intuitive compared to, say, Mailchimp or Constant Contact. So Sendinblue is particularly suited for clubs on a budget that still require powerful automation and transactional email capabilities. Its affordability and range of features make it a versatile tool for maintaining regular communication with your members. So you're feeling overwhelmed by the thought of writing all those emails? Let's talk about how AI could make your life a whole lot easier and your email marketing more effective. So content generation. First off, AI tools like ChatGPT are fantastic for generating content ideas and drafting out emails. Imagine this. You log in to ChatGPT, type ChatGPT, draft an email newsletter for my gymnastics club, please. I always like to say please. And within seconds, you've got a well-written email ready to go. ChatGPT can brainstorm topics based on your club's activities, craft engaging subject lines, and even create full email templates. So this saves you so much time and mental effort, especially when you're short on ideas some days. Now personalisation. Personalising your email is crucial and AI can make it seamless. Tools like Dynamic Yields or Passado can analyse data about your members, such as their names, past interactions, and preferences. So for example, these tools can automatically insert a member's name in the greeting, reference their past event attendance, or even suggest activities that they might be interested in based on their previous choices. So this can make each email feel unique and personal, significantly boosting engagement. You simply connect these tools to your email platform and they handle the rest. Now segmentation is another area where AI can excel. Using tools like HubSpot or Mailchimp's advanced segmentation features, AI can group your subscribers based on specific criteria like activity level or interests or demographic. So for instance, you could create segments for parents of young gymnasts and another for adult members. The AI analyzes your member data to create these segments, allowing you to send targeted emails that are more relevant to each group, improving open rates and overall engagement. So these tools often come with built-in segmentation capabilities that you can set up with a few clicks. Now, optimizing your email campaigns is also made easier with AI. Platforms like Mailchimp and Campaign Monitor use AI to analyze the performance of your previous emails and suggest improvement. They can determine the best times to send your emails, the most effective subject lines, and the type of content that generates the most interest. For instance, they might suggest sending event reminders in the evenings when parents are more likely to check their emails. This continuous feedback helps you refine your strategy and achieve better results with less effort. Now, automation segmentation is a game changer for email marketing. AI-powered platforms like ActiveCampaign and Sendinblue can help you set up workflows for various scenarios, like welcoming new members, following up after events, or sending reminders for upcoming activities. Now, once these workflows are set up, they run on autopilot. So for example, a new member could automatically receive a welcome email, followed by a series of onboarding emails over the next few weeks. These ensures consistent communication without adding to your workload. You simply define the triggers and the actions, and the AI handles the rest. So by leveraging these AI capabilities, you can make your email marketing more effective while saving yourself a lot of time. It's like having a virtual assistant dedicated to keeping your club members engaged and informed. With AI handling the heavy lifting, you can focus on what you do best, running your club and engaging with your community. Now, to keep everything organized, a content planner is essential. Plan your emails around key events, announcements, and regular updates. This ensures you're consistent and never miss an important communication. We've created a handy email content planner template that you can download. The link is going to be in the description below to help you stay on top of things. Consistency is key, so aim to send updates regularly, but don't overdo it. So once a week or bi-weekly is usually a good balance for emails. Now, tips for effective email marketing. We've got crafting an engaging subject line. It's crucial because it's the first thing your members will see. Keep it short, interesting, and relevant to encourage opens. Make sure your content is clear and concise. Use bullet points, subheadings, and images to break up the text and make your emails easy to read. And always include a clear call to action, whether it's to sign up for an event or read a blog post or follow your social media. Make sure it's easy to find and click. Think of it as guiding them on what to do next. Not sure what to write? ChatGPT will give you some ideas and work with what sounds best for your actual club. Now it's your turn. Start using email marketing to engage your members and keep them informed. Download our email content planner and get started today. Got any questions or need any more tips? Drop a comment below and I will get back to you. Make sure to join our Facebook community for more discussions and support from fellow club leaders and lots of marketing tips. Let's make your club the talk of the town. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe to DigiSpark Media for more marketing tips and tricks for your club. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.